Today Nifty consolidated in first 15 minutes range. This is a first 15 minutes candle and Nifty traded entire day in this first 15 minutes candle. After 3 p.m. there is a breakdown and it closed below this level, but entire day it consolidated in the first 15 minutes range. And based on this week's price action, it seems bearish, but let's look the higher time frame picture and let's analyze what is going to happen on Monday and what is a setup for Monday based on these important levels and also create our plan. Let's mark the important levels, important resistance levels. This is going to be an important resistance level. This acted as a resistance level yesterday and today's opening high and another time, first time and second time it tested. So it is going to act as important resistance level. And today also option buying scalping indicator worked very well. It gave 30 points decent move and I'm going to show you that signal later. First let's mark these important levels. This is going to be a resistance level and this is another resistance level and there is another resistance level here. And let's zoom out and see are there any important support levels. This is a support level and the next support level is this one. Monday, if this level breaks on Monday, we can see panic selling move on Monday. Whenever it breaks, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever this level is going to break, you can see panic selling level. It is a bearish move. From this point onwards, you can see it is a completely bearish move. Here it made a high. I am going to explain. Here this is a high. After it made a low and after it made a high, it made a low, high and it made another low. This is another low and high, low, high. It is breaking the previous lows, but it is not able to break the previous highs. This is a previous high, this is a previous high, this is a previous high, and this is a previous high. And here it tried once. If you consider this as a low, high, low, it broke this high. It tried to go higher, but overall the trend is bearish considering these highs. This is a high and high. This is high. These are all the resistance levels and this is a support level. There is a bounce from this level previously. Let's see whether this time this level is going to be respected or not. And the final level is this one. If this level breaks, we can see further panic selling. And after panic selling, what are the important levels? Let's see those by going into daily time frame. After breaking that level, this is going to be a major support level. If this level breaks, this is going to be act as a major support level or this closing price. This is a level. It is almost 500 points from the where the market is closed right now. Let's see the price action in daily time frame. These are non-stop red candles. This is a bearish move. This is a bullish move, and this is a bearish leg. If this level breaks, we can see further down move and the trend continues on a bearish side. You can see a panic selling on Monday if this level sustains. If this level is not going to break, what are all the important levels? Let's plan those levels. In intraday, this is an important resistance level because there is a rejection from this point. Let's create our plan. If it opens gap down, it may go down. After a pullback, you should look for selling opportunities because it is continuing the trend. If it opens inside this range, it may act as a consolidation day or a sideways day, same like today. And this is a plan we already did yesterday. If it opens gap down and continues some more, we can see further panic selling, but it closed inside this range and it consolidated, acted as a sideways day. We planned this yesterday. And if it opens inside this range, tomorrow it is going to act as a sideways day. If it opens above this level and breaks this level, it is going to move higher. You should look for buying opportunities on the pullbacks or on the breakouts. And if it completely opens above this range, as soon as the market opens, it may break out and start moving higher, or after a pullback, it may start moving higher. These are the setups for Monday. I am planning. As per this week's trend, it is a bearish. If it opens gap down, you should look for selling opportunities on the breakout or on the pullback. And if it opens inside the range, you know what to do. If it opens above this range, you know what to do. If it opens above this range, it's completely, the trend may change completely from bearish to bullish in intraday. These are all the setups for intraday, and let's see the indicator, option scalping indicator, how it performed and what happened. This is an indicator, option scalping indicator for buying options. Here it generated a buy signal, and the SL is hit around this point, and a second sell signal is generated around this point, and it almost generated more than 30 points. You can check in charts, you can open a put chart and compare this. It almost generated more than 30 points profit. If you took these two trades, it is going to cover first trade's loss, and it is going to give even more profit. These are the signals with the option scalping indicator, and I'm planning to include this indicator with a option buying mastery course that I'm going to launch, and I'll include this, and this is a invite only script. So I'm going to give access to this indicator to the people who joined that course, and there are specific setups discussed in that course to use this indicator. There are setups classified as A setup, A plus setup, B setup, and C setup, and these setups have different risk profiles and targets, different targets. Using this indicator, I am working on another course, option buying algo trading course. With this indicator, you can place orders directly without even opening your broker terminal. Then you can manage the positions, and I'm going to add the demo of that demo, how it's going to work. After this, you can watch that, and you can understand how it's going to integrate. These two courses are integrated courses. One is this indicator, which has high probability, and I am showing you for the past couple of days, and another one is algo, which I am going to provide entire code and everything. You can watch that demo and you will understand clearly how it's working. With these two courses, it is going to take a lot of heavy lifting. You don't have to think what is happening, and you can manage your risk and position sizing. After entering the trade, what you have to do is you have to book the profit or book the loss. That's all. You don't have to do anything. I'm going to play that algo trading demo video. Watch that, and we'll update you when I am going to launch those courses. You can join those courses and take advantage of it. The alert is generated around 10:56:02 seconds, and the order is executed at 10:56:03. In this course, you are going to learn how to send the orders from based on the signals, based on this TradingView alert signals to broker terminal. And I have already worked on this application and creating alerts, entire thing. And this is just a demonstration for you to understand what you are going to learn in this course. So I'm going to show you what you are going to do by end of this course, and I'm going to give you the source code and everything. And if there is going to be any signal, I'm going to enable the alerts, and I have created two alerts for this buy and sell signal. This is a sell signal for buying put, and this is a buy signal for buying call. If there is going to be a sell signal, I'm going to enable this sell signal. If there is going to be a buy signal, I am going to enable this buy signal, or let me just enable these both. Whichever comes first will be executed. Let's just see. Let's just wait for the signals, and let's check the time, how much time it took to execute these trades. Here you are going to see on this notification how much time it took to punch the orders. You should be able to see. I am going to punch the orders with just one lot, because this is just a demo for you to understand how the application is working. I'm going to give you everything in this course, code, everything, entire steps, how you can manage, and all those things. I'm going to explain it to you. Even if you don't know anything about algo trading or the coding, you don't need to know anything. You can just come and watch these videos and learn everything, and you can implement it on your own. If you have any questions, you can post it in a Q&A section. I'm going to answer all your questions. With this indicator, you can capture these kind of moves, but the setup is discussed in a option buying mastery course. You follow as per that setup only. There is a sell signal. As soon as this candle is going to close, we are going to see the orders in our broker terminal, and I am going to punch the orders with one lot, because this is a demonstration for this course, and you can see the time difference, how much time difference it is going to take for the alert to generate and the order to execute. Let's see. Okay. The alert is generated around 10:56:02 seconds, and the order is executed at 10:56:03. Just for 1 second. It took 1 second to execute this order, and I am going to exit this position. Let's just discuss other things. It took less than 1 second to place this order. That is the power of this algo. And when the market is moving faster and quicker, it is difficult for you to enter the trades. By the time you open the trading terminal and the order windows, it is going to move. The trade is going to move. So it is better to use algo to punch the orders. And in this course, you are going to learn and implement how you can do this on your own. And I am going to give you the source code, and I am going to show you how to set up the server and do all the things, broker integration, connecting your algo with a broker. I'm going to show you everything. Join this course and you are going to learn a lot of things about algo trading and implementation. This is a real world working implementation of for option buying, Nifty option buying. We'll see you inside the course. I hope you watched the demo and you liked it. If you are interested, you can let me know in the comments, or you can connect me with on WhatsApp number that's provided on the screen. I only use one number that is displayed on the WhatsApp screen. I don't have any other numbers. That's the only number. And I'll let you know when the courses are launched. So you can take advantage of this indicator and the algo. That's all for the video. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.